Let me guess, you're running ads in the US. CPMs are up, competition is insane, and you're already starting to feel like your product is saturated. What if I told you one of the biggest dropshipping opportunities is not in the US? It's Europe. And most people that are dropshipping to Europe are failing because of one reason. The EU isn't hard because of ads. It's hard because people fulfill their orders the wrong way. In this video, I'm going to show you why the EU market is underrated, mistakes that will damage your store, and how the right fulfillment setup turns Europe into a serious scaling channel. So let's get right into it. Most dropshippers, they don't even test the EU market properly. They think because US is such a superpower that every other country in the world will not purchase your product. But that's completely wrong. Not only that, but people get scared because the different languages that are being spoken in these different countries in Europe. And I understand because I was in that same position. But here's the truth. In many countries like Germany, Italy, Spain, and many more, ad competition is far lower than the US. There's fewer advertisers, there's no creative fatigue, and way more space to test products before they blow up. Let me tell you one thing, European buyers, they like to spend too. Germany, France, and the UK obviously is not in Europe, but the UK as well. These countries, they love to spend money. And these are all high income markets. If your product or offer works in the US, let me tell you, it's going to work in Europe as well. The buying behavior from the US to Europe is very similar. Same impulse buys, same problem solving products, and the same emotional triggers. The difference is not the customer. The real reason a lot of people struggle is because of fulfillment. Most stores don't fail because Europeans don't buy, but they're more worried about the fulfillment of the orders. Because think about it, the delivery, the customs, or the post-purchase experience has to be all on point. These sellers fail because everything is not on point. So let's talk about the mistakes that people are making when they're selling in the EU market. Mistake number one is long shipping times. You're probably thinking shipping from China to Europe is going to take 12 to 25 days. That may slide in the US, but in Europe, that just destroys trust. Customers expect faster delivery, especially once they have to pay the VAT. Customers do not want to see surprise fees when they get the product at their door and they see, oh, and I have to pay this or that. Mistake number two is customs and VAT charges. Mistake number two is inconsistent tracking. Tracking that's not being updated to the customer, links that are not showing updates to the customer. And something that I've noticed is that European customers are very tracking aware. They're constantly checking the tracking and always emailing you for updates. If they don't see any movement, they immediately contact support and want something to happen. Nothing creates a chargeback faster than this type of situation. So you want to be clear with the customer at all times and make sure this experience is perfect for them. At scale, this doesn't hurt margins, but it could damage your business in the long term. And this is why a lot of people say that EU fulfillment does not work, when in reality, the problem was that their fulfillment didn't work. Let me show you a solution to all of this. If you're somebody in the North American market that wants to start selling in the EU market, this is very much so possible. And this all starts with the ScaleOrder dropshipping fulfillment. They specialize in fulfillment with a dropshipping model to all of the countries in Europe, and they put a majority of their focus on that. ScaleOrder isn't just shipping packages. It's built specifically to handle European fulfillment. EU warehouses, EU delivery expectations, and EU compliance. One of my favorite parts is they have fast delivery to the EU. Instead of multi-week delivery times, your product is delivered to the customer in days. That single change increases conversion rates, reduces chargebacks, and massively helps with repeated purchases. This will create a clear customer experience. Everything is handled correctly. There's no slow shipping times or poor tracking. And at the end of the day, your European customers will be happy. And you'll be happy because you'll be able to grow a sustainable brand. So now that you understand how ScaleOrder works, let me get onto my computer and show you the entire setup of ScaleOrder and how you can start using it right now. Okay, so here I am now on ScaleOrder. And as you can see on the left side here, you have the dashboard, affiliate, orders, warehouse, products, find products, and then settings. So here on the dashboard, I'll go over that quickly for you. You can see your sales today, what you're earning with your product cost, the sales volume, all the costs and all that kind of stuff, as well as your monthly sales, just all the information you have in your Shopify store. You also have like contact support. So if you need, feedback or any help, you can do that here, contact them. As well as the manager, Tom, you can contact them directly via email. So when I go through here, you can also see start expanding your global business at scale. So they have all these options like connect your store. So that's the first thing you want to do is you want to connect your Shopify store to ScaleOrder. Then as well, they have a Chrome extension you can use that has different tools you can utilize. The next thing is topping up your balance. So you want to have a balance of funds to use when you do get an order and you need to fulfill it. And the next point is sourcing your product. So you can see what the product cost will be and how much the shipping will be from China to that country that you're shipping to, as well as turning on automation so your fulfillment is completely automated and you don't even have to worry about it because they just do it all for you. Then you can also see here they have shipping times. So the US, UK, Australia, Canada, all the different shipping times that are offered here, and then how long it's going to take and what their percent on average is shipping times. Okay. As well, they recommend some apps that you can use. Okay. Then a nice cool option, they also have branded packaging. So you can get package boxes, package bags, thank you cards, and any other customizations you want to get for your product fulfillment. ScaleOrder, this is where all your orders are going to be. It's going to show if it's unfulfilled, the processing times, any disputes, refunds, all this stuff will be here for you. So now we're in the quoted section. So if you ever want to get any quotes about the product that you're selling and see how much it's going to cost, this is where you can do this here. So you connect your Shopify store, it'll show up the store, and then you'll be able to get a quote for your product. Then we're going to go to warehouse. Then on the warehouse tab, there's inventory. So let's say you have a 3PL in China. So instead of having a 3PL in the US or just doing traditional drop shipping, this is going to save time when it comes to processing the orders. So let's say, you can probably save about 3 to 5 days on fulfillment by having a 3PL in China. And this is where all your inventory will come up. They're carrying your inventory. All your products inventory will be here, showing you how much is available, unavailable, and all that information will be here. Then shipments, any shipments that have been sent out, they have the quantity, the ship date, the update, estimated time of arrival, all this information is there for you. And then outbound, any products that are currently being shipped out, you can see all the information there. And then as well, quotation, all your quotes for any other future products will all be here for you. As well, if you want to import any other future products you want to sell and you just want to get a quick quote on other products that you can actually do this. You can put the link to any products from AliExpress or ScaleOrder and just search it up and then connect it here and get a quote on that product. Then as well, they have this cool, unique option where you can actually see other products to sell. So maybe you're looking for new and unique dropshipping products. They have a marketplace here where you can see other products that you could sell in these different types of niches. So yeah, all around, ScaleOrder is a great fulfillment. If you want to get signed up with it and you want to start fulfilling your orders to the EU countries, they specialize in EU fulfillment. So I would definitely suggest ScaleOrder. Go sign up with the link in my description. So if you're ready to start dropshipping in the EU market, then go sign up with ScaleOrder. I have a link in the description where you can sign up directly with them and then start fulfilling all your EU orders the right way. I hope you did enjoy that video and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.